Odisha, Sri Naveen Patnaik ji, Honorable Minister for Odisha for Department of IT, Public Distribution, Technical Education, Sri P.K. Dev ji, Sri N.S. Padi, Secretary IT, Government of Odisha, Sri Ravi Kant, CEO, elects, participants from IT and electronics industry, ladies and gentlemen. It's my proud privilege to be part of this e-Odisha 2014, which is the second version of this initiative taken by the state government. STPI has been partnering with Government of Odisha since 1989, and most of us know that when STPI opened 4 centers across the country, along with Bangalore and Pune, Bhubaneswar was also one of them. Since then, the Government of Odisha and STPI is jointly working for the promotion of ICT industry in the state. And so far, apart from Bhubaneswar and Rourkela, 2 more centers have been opened in the state of Odisha. One at Behrampur and another we are going to open at Balasore. Very soon we are going to lay the stone, and Honorable Union Minister for Communication and IT has kindly agreed to lay the stone, and we are going to request Honorable CM of Odisha also to join the function. These centers are being established with the support of Odisha, and for Balasore, the state agency IDCO has been made the implementing agency, and I am sure that this facility will also come up within 2 years' time from now. The IT is at the center stage of the economy across the country. And when we talk about e-Odisha, we talk about the delivery of services to the citizens through electronic means. At the same time, these kind of delivery of the services to the citizens would also require a lot of technology and applications. We at STPI look at this as an opportunity for development of entrepreneurship in the field of ICT. Because on one hand, we have to deliver the services to the citizens. Other hand, we have to see how we can seize this opportunity and promote the development of softwares that create the entrepreneurship and employment within the state. So both the things like the e-governance and the ICT as an industry should go hand in hand. In India today, the software export from the country is about $76 billion, and the entire total revenue from the ICT sector is $108 billion. We are growing at the 10% of growth rate year on year. Every year we are adding 2 lakhs graduates in the ICT sector as workforce, and so far we have employed 3 million technical graduates in this sector. So it's the largest urban employer. And therefore, for last 2 decades, industry has matured, it has moved up the value chain, and now the stage is set. We are at the stage where we can venture into the development of indigenous products, so that the lot of money and wealth that is going out from the country in terms of the royalties, that can be saved and can be put to good use for the development of this country and also for the creation of the jobs. The Government of India in year 2012 has come up with triad of policies: the National Policy of Electronics, National Policy on Information Technology, and National Policy on Telecom. All these 3 policies are talking about the creation of jobs within this country, the creation of patents, creation of product within this country. These policies are talking about how do we create the culture of innovation across the country. These policies are also talking about how do we offset the pressure that is coming in terms of the cost arbitrage, because the tier 1 cities of this country are becoming less competitive in terms of cost. And therefore, the solution lies in migrating the industry from tier 1 to tier 2 cities, tier 2 locations. And therefore, the destinations like Odisha are very ideal destination. I am very glad to inform that in the Odisha, the industry, ICT industry is growing at the rate of 20%, whereas the national average is 10%. The Odisha is one of the 4 most preferred ICT destinations in the terms of tier 2 in this country. And just soldier to, so when in the same league with Kerala, Odisha is in the same league with the Kerala, Tri-City of Chandigarh and Coimbatore. And therefore, I am sure that with the kind of policies that are being unveiled today and the kind of infrastructure that are already created and are going to be created with the support of Odisha, we will be able to support the startup industry in this state, and also will be able to create enough infrastructure and enough resources to support the larger IT industry in this state for the creation of jobs and the wealth within this state. With this, I would thank the organizers, the government of Odisha, for inviting me to this function, and I am sure that with the exhibitions and the deliberations that will take place during the course of this event would definitely benefit the state of Odisha in coming days. Thank you.